You began as a single cell, one microscopic zygote. From that solitary point, you became an organism of 37 trillion cells. This incredible journey is powered by cell division, the engine that builds you, heals your wounds, and keeps you alive. But your body is a smart manager. It uses two very different kinds of division for two different jobs. For everyday growth and repair, like making new skin after a scratch, it uses mitosis. Think of it as a perfect photocopier. It takes one parent cell and creates two genetically identical daughters, each with a full set of 46 chromosomes. These are called diploid cells, and they ensure your body remains a perfect, consistent copy of itself. However, for creating the next generation, a perfect copy would be a genetic disaster. A sperm and egg with 46 chromosomes each would make a baby with 92. So your body uses a far more specialized process, meiosis. This division, happening only in sex organs, involves 2 rounds of splitting. It masterfully creates 4 unique sperm or egg cells, each carrying only 23 chromosomes, what we call haploid. When they combine at fertilization, the full count of 46 is beautifully restored. Here's the most elegant part. Meiosis isn't just about having the count, it's about creating variety. During a process called crossing over, pairs of chromosomes literally embrace and swap pieces of DNA, shuffling the genetic deck. This, combined with how chromosomes randomly sort themselves into the new cells, is why you are utterly unique, a never-before-seen combination of your parents' genes. So from that first cell, 2 distinct dances of division emerge. One of perfect replication to maintain the individual you are, and one of creative shuffling to propel our entire species forward.